Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwatife. In case you're just joining the family, please make sure that you click on the red button, that subscribe button, and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I post a new update, you get to have first-hand notification. Yes, so thank you. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you, just like the title said, I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy flat twist that you can do for, any formal outing that you're going to or anywhere, basically. Yes, so I have some very quick and easy tutorials on my channel, so you can check out previous videos and just enjoy yourself while watching it. Okay, so my hair type is 4C, as you can see. It's not exactly pre-stretched. Yeah, I just had it packed with a rubber band initially. So I just when I took a shower, I just poured water on my hair. I did not wash it, I just poured water on it because I need it to be damp. Yes, and I'm not going to be having any leave-in conditioner or anything for this hairstyle. I'm not going to be using any shine and jam or anything. I just want it to be as quick and easy and fast as possible. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm going to be doing a middle part for this hairstyle. Yes, so my rat tail comb broke some time ago, so yeah, I'm just going to be using it like that. Okay, I have a middle part somehow initially, so I'm just going to follow through on that one. Okay, now I'm stopping here because I'm not doing the flat twist all till the middle. Just watch the video to the end and you will understand exactly what I'm trying to do.